I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea Cantika Putrianta with last NPM 21. I am student of Economy Development, study at UPN Veteran Jawa Timur. In this video, I will provide tutorial how to read a curve of supply and demand as a business. According to principle of economic by Q, the market is governed by two forces, supply and demand. We use a supply and demand diagram to determine the equilibrium and quantity, which is the point where the plans of buyers and seller match. Okay, first observe the axis of diagram. The vertical axis is the price or P of the goods, and the horizontal axis is the quantity or K of the goods. Next, curve that has a negative gradient or slope is the demand curve. This means the curve slopes downward from the top left to the bottom right. This indicates an inverse relationship between price and demand, which is if the price of an item falls, demand for that items will increase. Then the supply curve has a positive gradient or slope. This means that the relationship between price and quantity supplied is directly proportional. The supply curve slope upward from the bottom left corner to the top right corner. The supply curve is if the price of an item rises, then the goods offered will also rise with condition. Finally, find the equilibrium point, which is the interaction where the supply and demand curves meet. At this specific point, the market is clear because the quantity that buyers are willing to buy exactly equals the quantity that sellers are willing to sell. In summary, reading this curve allows us to understand how prices are determined in a competitive market. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you studies in economy. Thank you for watching.